Well, I guess we should be thankful for the warmer temperatures. I hate to be up east digging out of that snow.
That's right. This happens
amazing.
this time of year as we have, like Samantha said, those two systems, basically winter trying to leave, spring trying to come in, and boom, crash, bang. That's honestly what you get this time of year, particularly up north, get the snow. Here, though, I think we're going to need more snow in order to make up for the deficit. I mean, we've had hardly any water at all falling from the sky. Right now, it is 69 degrees and mostly cloudy. Just a little bit of that morning drizzle, which doesn't help that much. I mean, sure, it may temporarily water the grass, but we have some serious wind coming this way in advance of a cold front. Not the strongest cold front, but I'll tell you, the dry air associated with that, my goodness, lots of it. By 5 o'clock, 80 degrees, and those clouds stick around. We're going to go ahead and put a little small chance of some rain and thunderstorm activity in the 10 o'clock forecast. 72 degrees at that point. Now, for us, we're reporting light drizzle there at Camp Mabry and 69 degrees and mostly cloudy at the airport and 68. Notice how our dew points are nice and high right now. That's our true measure of moisture in the air. But do not get used to it. Fire weather watches, basically for our entire viewing area, with the exception of Bastrop County, Lee County, and Caldwell. I mean, make that Fayette County. Other than that, we are just looking at dry, and drier as we get a lot of wind and no rain coming this way. Lake Travis is now down roughly 8 feet. Lake Buchanan is down about 3 feet. Satellite and radar composite is showing just a little bit of that low-level cloudiness, patchy fog that we always get this time of morning thanks to the Gulf pushing some of that moisture on towards us. But notice how dry it is up here. That would be the advance of our cold front / dry punch coming this way as well. Go ahead and zooming it in closer to home. We are looking at our clouds and radar forecast. Now, notice we do have the dry line. This is just what we saw on our satellite just a second ago. We do have a little bit of low-level cloudiness that we'll be dealing with through the morning hours. Just maybe a little patch of rain down there to the south and east. Other than that, that's about the size of it. As the day goes along, our dry air starts to filter in and stick around with us. We still have high pressure off to the east of us. Now, with that high pressure, mixing it up with the low pressure up to the north of us, that's what's going to cause our winds. When you have these two systems converging, you get what's known as a pressure gradient, and it's like kind of like putting a football through that thing that spins it out so that you can catch it at long distances. Yeah, we're right underneath that, and we will be getting some gusty winds to boot. Now, I think this is overstated for us mainly here as far as any serious rain comes along by Monday, but I'm not going to rule it out as we get to the tail end of that cold front coming this way. We could see a little bit of light and scattered rain activity coming our way and dipping down. So fingers crossed for rain. We don't need the severe, but we definitely need the rain. 67 for our low overnight in Rockdale, 68 in Lakeway. Right now, this isn't our 360 tower cam. I was going to use it, but you can't see anything because of the cloud cover. So we're going to go ahead and stick with our picture from Henry. 69 degrees for us right now, 85 today. Late evening, though, we're going to drop down to 80. We're on our way down to a low in the 60s overnight. Small chance of rain. And, of course, the next 7 days, we actually level out just a little bit Monday into Tuesday. And then by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, one more small chance of rain as the next cold front comes around, a 20% chance by Thursday.